Hello YouTube, Alex here with another city update. So it's July 20 and it's happened much new in the city this month. So let's take a look. But first we got some sigfigs. So I have built. So here we got Bricksmith and Lily Bricks and Mrs. Bricks. Back here we got Lego Lover 225, the Brick Maniac, OURTOYWORLD, and That1Lego Fan. So link to them in the description below, go to check them out. And here we got Brick in the train clothes. So he's trying to stop the train. So he's working with trains, and we have some bicycles here. And Deadpool and Wolverine is fighting up here with the train station, and the hat to Deadpool has fallen off because Wolverine has cut it off. And we had giant bricks and brick crane here waiting on the train. And then we can see a view of the city right now, so it's very big. So finally I got a train in the city. So that's awesome. So we're going here after. But first we're going of course to the scenes. So we have one scene here with Edwin Lundqvist is skating down the firehouse building, and I don't know why he's planning to do that. So we are going here now, and here I built J. Garrick, and this light thing back J. Garrick is from MBL Designs, so link to him too in the description below. And then Kellen and Beans has some cats here. And a LexCorp man has a machine gun there. Some grenades after LexCorp. And LexCorp Delaware also a lot of kryptonite, so it's best Batman take this one and not Superman. And then, yeah, I've done the same green here. I'll just leave there because it's so awesome. So I like it so much with green there, so I try to do it on that side too, with the green plates, and yeah. And we got also Agents of Mark porting in, Agents of Mark, so are trying to help Batman to catch the LexCorp. So here we have also some cars driving. And here we got Eva, man, and Brooks of course is taking selfie on the train. And we got No More Bricks, try to take TF Bricks and Cool Kid Bricks with the bandhammer. And here you can also see I'm trying to build a mountain up. So that looks cool. So let's go here. So here we have Captain America, Bucky and Falcon here. And they are trying to take out, or Black Panther and Iron Man try to take them out. So it's a little civil war here. So here we got also some police guys So we're coming back to then. And here we got also flash and zoom. So if we go more here and take this first. So here on the beach, this time we'll just leave it here. And here we get Christopher, Mr. or Texas 132, and books all over is surfing. So, and we got graphic bricks and the Lego Wilds is looking on them surfing. Got some shark guys there. And I have the Praise restaurant here. And of course I have did some 1x1s and tan like gray and brown and just set them there just to cheat details. So that's cool. And then we got Brick Adjuster here. Big T and Little Baskus is sitting back in the car. And Bricklayer waiting here too. And they are going to Brickfeed Toronto. Brickfeed Toronto, so are in Canada. So they're driving out of the city. And Brick Adjuster has a mark back here. I think it is a city mark. Mini mark of a city. And then, yeah, we got outside of the Quick Mart here. And here we got the Lego Lad. And me. And at the Ethan Network outside of the Quick Mart. We're going inside and we'll shop. Just the janitor there coming out. Yeah. And here you can see outside of the mountain. So a lot of YouTubers is working with the mountain in the city. So we got John Wickman here. He's working with the greens. And Bookstackers is taking more mountain in. And the same do horror stuff. I don't the new sigfig on from him, but I will have him soon. And here we got Firegrounds Films also just looking right now. And Josh or Mr. H is building mountain up. And Clutch from Books and Dollar is coming with more under bricks, because we have some bricks just under the mountain just to do it more better. So Clutch from Books and Dollar here too. And we got Chad Brick Copy here and Brick Tree there. So they are mining gold. And just a closer look on the banhammer shovel here and the selfie down here. Here you can see a better look of the flash and zooms coming out of the house, and they have the same design as MBL Designs. And Margot Man 3 here is looking, try to look on the flash and zoom, but they're going too fast for him. And here we go with a better look of the police guys. And Green Arrow is coming for Yell to help the Flash and the police guys. And down here we got Big B Brooks and a past mailman here at Sany Brooks and the children, the Big B, and the mailman has delivered the Sunday haul to Big B. So it's a lot of packages with just Lego. And then I got Queen here too, and we got Aussie Bricks here and Donut Bricks. So Aussie Bricks has some packages to the tiles to his airport. So go to check Aussie Bricks out with the airport he has built. So he has some packages for the tiles to it. And Donut Bricks is helping him home. And here I leave the shop, yeah. And here I have the cinema right now. And a lot of people here is looking on Doc Brown. And Martin McFly is coming out of the Back to the Future car. And we got some YouTubers here. Mini Bricks, Pumpkin Bricks, Dave Frost, and Bricksmith is looking on them too. And we got a lot of people with cameras and phones and yeah. And then we got George Lucas and Harrison Ford is coming out of the cinema too. So just for look. And oh no, we have stormtroopers here, and the Spawn has more travel plans. This is not good, but that's good. We have some people here to help and do the good things. And we got Kevin F. Original Minfig trying to stop the Spawn with lightsaber, and Haley Brooks here, and the Wicked, Brickton, and Wonderful Brooks. And Wonderful Brooks has not a weapon. And the reason is he's wonderful. So he has the wonderful powers. So it's just using them. So tell me what you think about the city right now. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And bye for now.